Let's get to work, bro.
Let's go.
Let's show them what we got going on.
What do we got? We got the lights. Removing everything off the surface.
Yep.
Stripping it.
Yeah, we got, take that off. Just got the sirens working. Just removed a radio area right there. Removed all that insulation. And time to rebuild.
Wow, that seems like a better decision.
Yeah.
Hey, we out here at the farm.
Chinchilla. Massive. Oh, there it is.
There he is. Alright, we got it loaded up.
Load it up. Yep. Sailing Sage is going to Honduras. Packed up. He's got 2 ambulances. He's been crushing. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Right here should be good, huh?
Yeah, that should.
I'm back in.
Yeah.
Alright. He'll be coming around the mountain. I can see it. She'll be riding.
Oh shit.
What was that?
Oh. I had the fucking master switch on. Alright, I won't turn that on.
Oh no.
Oh, it hit power to ground is what happened.
The wall panel just flung off.
What's up, everyone? It is my last day here on the farm for the next 2 months. As you can see, I have my ambulance here. Let's see, is she getting charged still? Yeah, she's getting charged still, so that's good. And yeah, all this stuff has got to get unloaded and then put into here. And yeah, we're getting to it little by little. Red Pine Rescue, baby. Oh shit. Oh shit, dude.
Yeah, you gotta get some good
Got away.
Oh shit, they're gonna fucking wreak havoc out here.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Aw, that poor thing. I almost feel bad.
Well, you gotta eat. I would. That's a good kid.
You're not gonna burrow around here.